Now, how can you turn off the dwell control on your iPad? And let's get started. So this is an accessibility feature, and if you don't know what that is, it basically lets you point your cursor or the pointer device, which can be accessed by a trackpad or a mouse. It lets you point it at something, and without clicking it, without pressing on the click on the trackpad, it will still get selected. Despite that, you will dwell over an icon or hover over it and it gets pressed. So in order to turn it off, you need to navigate to the settings app of your iPad and locate the accessibility section. So part of the accessibility is the touch, so get in there, then proceed to assistive touch, and in here you can find the dwell control. You're gonna have to scroll down a bit, and there's literally just one toggle, so you can disable it if you don't need it, right? So just turn it off. And by the way, if you are like kind of split between deciding whether you want to keep it or not, I would recommend you to just bump up the time it takes to to make the dwell like happen. Because obviously if you make it like 3 seconds, let's say, then it kind of exists but also doesn't, right? So it takes much longer to actually activate that, because 3 seconds is still kind of a lot. So if you just leave it, it's gonna happen like that, but if not, then nothing will happen. So yeah, you can bump up the time period if you really wanted to, but yeah, if you want to turn it off, this is how you can do it. So let me know below in the comments if you have some additional things in mind when it comes to your iPad, or some things which you don't know how to use. Go ahead and let me know about that below in the comments. I publish a lot of videos on this channel, so I think you're gonna like it. Subscribe, and I'll see you later in the next one.